Hi folks, back from GalaxyS4.com for this week's Verizon Galaxy S4 ROM of the week. Check out HyperDrive ROM again. RLS10 is out. And right off the bat, you'll probably notice that the launcher is slightly different. You get a Note 3 style launcher, which kind of looks like instead of a rectangle, you get the nice dots there. This is nice, and you do get a lot of stuff from Note 3. Including the launcher, also a bunch of wallpapers, sounds, they're all Note 3, also Note 3 Tasks Manager, alright, and also Note 3 S Voice. Let me show you the Task Manager real quick. Also Note 3 Watch On and Note 3 Active Application widget, and some more stuff. So very nice. You got the nice Note 3 upgrade. That's probably the major upgrade, and other apps have been upgraded. For those of you who've never tried this ROM, let me kind of go over it. Also, it does come with the default stock theme. I've got the red theme on here, which I'll show you in the Aroma installer. Of course, you get two cameras, Android 4.3 camera, working flawless out of the box with Photosphere. And also you get S4 camera, of course, two galleries, one for your Android 4.3 Photosphere and regular TouchWiz gallery. And you can see icons have been changed, customized. With the theme, you'll get that, but you can also install it just without the theme. Also, I've got Flash Player on board. Of course, you got HyperDrive Hub, where you can download a bunch of different themes. And you can flash these in your Clockwork My Recovery, Tour Recovery. Also HyperDrive tweaks. You'll be able to fully customize your system, CRT animation control, blocking mode, user interface, change your clock options, move it to the center, days of the week. Let's try some of the center clock. There you go. A ton of stuff you can do with the HyperDrive tweaks app here. Volume key controls, toolbox, GPS control, Wi-Fi band switcher, expose framework. And if you want to run any of these modules, you'll have to go to framework. Make sure you hit install, hit grant, all right, and hit OK, and hit back and go to the modules. Enable all the modules you want to use. Expose app settings, that's for running your apps in tablet mode, custom DPI mode. Icon themer, unlock effect before security code. So these are different things you can actually enable and play with as for multiple widgets. I mean, there is a ton of great expose modules there. So check that out. And also you got the multi-window manager app there if you want to add more apps to your multi-window. And of course, my favorite Viper for Android FX audio is there. So you can go ahead and use that. I also have a demo of how to use that, so check that out. I'll have on my site. Also pop-up browser from Note 2. You get pop-up browser. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, for those of you who've been using this ROM, you'll probably love it. And also, I forgot to note, you get a nice little kilobytes. Anytime you are using data, you'll see exactly how much data you're using. So very nice if you're on limited Verizon plan. But certainly one of my favorite ROMs, probably one of the best ROMs for the Verizon Galaxy S4. And you can install this on, if you have the latest MI1, if you rooted that phone and you've installed the Strat Recovery, there are MI1 modules you can install along with HyperDrive, and you can install it on MI1 also. And everyone else, you should be able to install it just fine. But let me go ahead and show you the Aroma installer, and also I forgot to show you the power button. You get all of these nice options. Take screenshots, recovery mode. So I'm going to go ahead straight into recovery there. Very easy to do. And let me kind of go over how to install it. Well, it's pretty simple. Just as my universal guide on how to install this any ROMs. It's pretty much the same, but I want to show you what's new with the Aroma installer, along with the new theme there, the option. And there we go. I am using twerp on the Verizon Galaxy S4 here. You're going to probably want to wipe. Oh, you can actually wipe during Aroma installer. I'll go ahead and install the RLS10, and you will get an Aroma installer. Same thing with Clockwork My Recovery, install from zip option. choose install from SD card or external SD card, and choose the HyperDrive zip file. Hit next, I agree, hit next, next, run full ROM install. You can always run this again if you want to change the options. Just choose wipe cache, dial the cache, like me if you already installed it. Choose Verizon Galaxy S4, and also I like the 5x6 TouchWiz launcher. Here's all the apps you can choose to install, not install, VPN client if you need VPN, mobile print if you want to be able to print. Also, Note 3 apps you can choose here. Which Note 3 apps? If you want My Magazine, Sketchbook, you can get all these nice Note 3 apps. Also, widgets, you can get AccuWeather widget there. Email, different email options, boot animations, force GPU UI rendering if you want that, and also Viper for Android is here. You can go ahead and make sure to install that. I highly recommend it. And also you can get volume loud hack. This will make your speaker volume super loud or slight. It's great. And also ad blocking. I don't actually like to use ad blocking too much because I'm a webmaster. For webmasters, it'll block all your stats, and then you won't be able to access some of those stat sites. So I like to disable it. Full extended power menu if you want it. The one I showed you with all those nice options, file managers, and also you can make a lot of these things AOSP with AOSP calculator, calendar, clock, all of this. And also if you want Android 4.3 photosphere camera, make sure you choose that. And also you can even install Focal camera there or on the Play Store. Also mod it to YouTube if you want it. If you want a screen off playback, that's great for playing your favorite music videos without wasting your battery, and then just listen to it. Just turn your screen off and still listen to it. Sounds, you can choose different types of sounds if you want AOSP, Sony Xperia. So it is fun. AOSP is my favorite there. Some more stuff: Moto X camera, TubeMate, MovieTube. All these apps allow you to download your YouTube videos, so you can play it on the go. Android 4.2 keyboard with number row. That's nice. This is where the new theme comes in, a Hyper Red theme if you want it, or if you want to just get the Note 3 S4 theme, choose that and go ahead and install it. Make sure if you're using SafeStrap, choose SafeStrap option. I am not. I'm just going to use the stock optimized kernel there. Overall, very nice ROM again. Thanks to developer Scott Breen, SBreen94, XEA user. Don't forget to donate to him if you end up using this as a daily driver. And as always, if you have a Galaxy S4, don't forget to sign up for my email list at galaxys4root.com. We update you once a week with ROM review tips, hacks, and more. And also, if you're on YouTube, please hit that like button for me or subscribe button there. And I will see you guys soon. Have fun with HyperDrive ROM, and do let me know what you think. And I will see you guys soon. Stay hoy on Android.